We can only wonder how big the gift truly is. That gift is your ability to learn. What's more powerful than the chance to understand something new? It opens possibility in your life, and there is no end in sight. If you can allow yourself to give up on having all the answers, if you can open yourself up to all the things you don't yet know, you discover a new set of opportunities in your life. So if you want to make something incredible happen, get excited by the unknown. There are actually three ways people learn. We get trapped believing it's only one. First, you can take in new knowledge, learn new concepts, and the goal is to make you smarter. Second, you can develop new understanding, challenge your perspective, learn to see the world differently. Third, you can discover something new about yourself so that you can show up differently, act different. It's not just about knowing better, it's doing better. Here's the difference. What if Nelson Mandela had waited in jail as opposed to learn while in jail? What if his lessons had been on paper and not in his heart? What if Amal Clooney knew how to practice law, but not why to practice law? And what if she'd skipped her life lesson on courage? Learning sometimes brings with it new understanding, new abilities, and sometimes it brings with it a new responsibility for how to show up. You see, we send rockets to the moon through learning. We construct buildings that scrape the sky through learning. We scan a field and hit a target on the run through learning. Our minds are amazing. Yet we also have ethics through learning. We understand how to treat all people through learning. We understand when cooperation beats out competition through learning. Our hearts become as strong as our minds through learning. Choose to stay open and be amazed by what it does. Learn new things. Gather all the information you can, but don't believe smart is an answer for all things. Character matters. Who you are matters. Learn from all angles. But learn by looking in as much as you do by looking out. Accept the full gift of learning. We have yet to know how big it is. As one boundary nears, the next is waiting. Embrace your ability to learn.